When we want to impress and win over a woman, there are many important factors involved. In today's video, we're going to share some fascinating secrets about how women feel and think, which will definitely surprise you. Imagine playing a game where every step and movement can make a difference, and we are here to show you the tricks that can help you win. It's important to understand that women are incredible and complex, with feelings and thoughts that can sometimes seem like a big mystery. But don't worry, we're going to reveal some magical tips that will help you understand these mysteries better. Before you start, make sure you are already subscribed to the channel, so you will have access to all our content that gives you tips on how to improve your relationships with women. Let's get started. Let's talk about some interesting and fun things about women's bodies and sex in a way that even a child can understand. Many women find it fun to play and have fun during sex. This can make them happier and more excited. Imagine how, when you play a game and you're having a lot of fun, it's kind of similar. Did you know that some women are born with a different body part? For example, some may have a smaller vagina or even not have one at all, but this is very rare. Now, imagine that having sex standing up could be a way to last longer and make your partner feel good faster, like when you're running and feel full of energy. Also, women come in different shapes and sizes. Some people with a big butt may have smaller breasts, and those with large breasts may have a smaller butt. And you know what's curious? Red-headed women tend to have sex more often. One of the best ways to make a woman feel good is in the spooning position. Think about when you hug a really soft pillow. That's how comfortable a spoon can be. In this position, it is easier to touch her sensitive parts, such as her clitoris and G-spot, which are places that can give a lot of pleasure. Some women find it difficult to have an orgasm because the clitoris is a little further away and can be difficult to reach during sex. After age 50, some men may think that sex is not as fun as it once was. But with a little information and creativity, they can discover new ways to enjoy it. And speaking of marriages, many women end up marrying someone who is ready for commitment, even if it's not the person they truly love. This can lead to marriages that are not very happy. Have any of these tips helped you? So don't forget to like the video. Let's continue. Before trying anal sex, it is essential to keep the area clean and well groomed. This involves thorough washing with mild soap and water to avoid any type of irritation or discomfort. Additionally, it is important to ensure that the intestines are completely emptied for a more comfortable and hygienic procedure. Some people choose to use an enema to ensure a deeper and more effective cleanse. When it comes to attraction, nonverbal communication plays a significant role. For example, when a woman is attracted to a man, she may moisten her lips with her tongue to make them brighter and more irresistible. This not only highlights sensuality, but can also be a sign of interest and desire. Performing oral sex should not be confused with infidelity. Many times, women carry out this practice because they like to see their partner excited and satisfied, in addition to being a way of expressing care and affection. Studies reveal that sex life does not decrease with age as many might think. A survey showed that around 40% of people aged between 65 and 80 still maintain an active sex life, and 73% of them find this experience highly satisfying. For many, oral sex is a fantasy they want to try. It's a way to explore intimacy in an innovative and fun way. When a man is genuinely interested in a woman, he tends to talk about her with his friends, expressing how much he values and admires her. If he shows affection through caresses and stimulation of her sensitive parts, it is a clear sign that he wants to please and satisfy her. In interactions between couples, the way women respond can vary according to the attraction they feel. When attracted, some may speak more quietly as a way to create a more intimate and seductive environment. Additionally, many women enjoy touching their breasts before sex. This can increase arousal and intensify the sexual experience. Experiencing this type of affection can reveal how positively she responds to touch. Oral sex can be a highly valued aspect of foreplay for many women. The female sexual organ is extremely sensitive, and a man's left hand can be a valuable asset in stimulation, especially when he has experience and knows how to use the appropriate pressure and rhythm. Additionally, women's sexual desire can vary throughout the menstrual cycle. Many women experience an increase in sexual desire before their menstrual period, which can lead to unprotected sex due to the natural lubrication that occurs during this period. On the other hand, attraction can also be related to aesthetic aspects. Some women find men with sunglasses more attractive, as these accessories can add an air of mystery and sophistication. To satisfy a woman, it is important that the size of the penis is considered, but it is essential to remember that female desire and satisfaction are not exclusively linked to size. A length of at least 10 centimeters is often considered ideal, but flexibility and adapting to the partner's needs and preferences are crucial. Women's desires can change easily, and the frequency of sexual intercourse also influences the perception of happiness and well-being. Women who have sex once a week tend to be seen as happier, more feminine and attractive, showing how sexuality can be intertwined with self-image and general well-being. If you've made it this far, leave a comment saying what your biggest difficulty with women is. I'll respond to all the comments helping you. On average, many women like older men because they think they have more experience. Erotic sensations reach the brain at speeds of up to 230 km/h. A woman can reach orgasm in just 4 minutes of good caressing, but sex can last about 20 minutes. Women who enjoy oral sex are often faithful to their partners because seeing the man get excited turns them on too. Men tend to feel more sexual excitement when they wake up. After fingers and vibrators, candles are the most common objects women use to masturbate. For many women under 25, the most common fantasy is oral sex. Some people may orgasm during physical exercise due to the repetitive movements. Women over 40 tend to have orgasms more easily than younger women. Men usually initiate a kiss before sex, while women usually kiss after. When a man finds a woman attractive, he may straighten up and show off his muscles to appear stronger. Sex from behind can last longer because there is more friction. Shower sex can be less gross. Many women get very turned on when their hair and neck are pulled during sex, but it's always a good idea to ask before doing so. When people have sex in the from behind position, it can last longer than in the vaginal position because there is more friction, which makes the sensation more intense. Sex in the shower can be more fun and less uncomfortable than in other places because the water helps cleanse and make everything more pleasant. Some women get really excited when someone gently pulls their hair or neck during sex. But remember, it's super important to ask your partner if she likes this before trying it. Each person is different, and knowing what they like will help make the moment more pleasurable for both of you. The missionary position is one of the most popular among women. They say the average penis size is 8 cm, but men think it's 25 cm. Generally, women's sexual desire is lower than men's, but before menstruation, their desire can increase greatly, and they may want to go out more and get involved more. A passionate kiss makes your brain react as if you were skydiving or firing a gun. Covering your eyes during sex can increase sensation and help you connect more with your partner. Tantric sex is a form of sex that focuses on paying full attention and stimulating all the senses. Being irresistible involves qualities such as kindness, empathy, and good manners. Listening and understanding other people's problems can make you a more interesting person. Avoiding destructive criticism and speaking in an understanding manner is important. Showing gratitude is also always well received and shows kindness. There is no standard of beauty for the vulva. They vary in shape, colour, and size. Some positions, such as missionary, spooning, and standing, are good for stimulating a woman's G-spot and clitoris, providing intense sensations. You can see your partner writhing in pleasure as you enjoy the moment together. Women tend to think about their appearance many times a day. If you squeeze the base of your penis, it can help you last longer in bed, even if you're almost ready to ejaculate. This trick is used by adult film actors off-camera. One study showed that among people aged 50 to 60, 91% of men and 86% of women are still sexually active, and a third of women in this group have sex at least once a week. So, did you like today's tips? If you want to learn more about the female universe and improve your knowledge about relationships, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. We have a series of incredible content that will help you better understand what women really want and how you can connect on a deeper level. Click here to watch our videos, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the news. Activate the bell to receive notifications whenever we publish a new video. Your participation is very important to us and motivates us to create more relevant content for you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.